Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of WhatsApp and its new feature, Meta AI. But is it safe? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about WhatsApp's claim to fame, end-to-end encryption. This fancy term means your actual messages and calls are scrambled, making them unreadable by anyone except you and the recipient, not even WhatsApp itself. Here's the catch. Meta AI doesn't interact with your encrypted messages. It's a separate feature you activate with the iMeta AI command in group chats. So your private conversations are still protected. But some experts raise concerns about the data Meta AI collects during your interactions. This might include things like the topics you discuss and how you use the AI. Now, Meta assures users this data is used to improve the AI and doesn't contain personal information. However, some people are wary of big companies collecting any data at all. So is it safe? It depends on your comfort level. End-to-end encryption protects your messages, but Meta AI does collect some data. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Meta AI can be a fun and helpful tool, but it's important to be aware of the potential privacy implications. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.